We'll guide you through how to make your friends list private on Facebook. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really useful to do. As you've probably seen, you can go and see people's friend lists on their profile, and so you may want yours to be hidden for whatever reason. So to go and get started, you need to head down to the bottom right of Facebook and go and tap the menu button, or you may need to go to the top right, depending upon your device. On here, you need to go and scroll down and find the section Settings and Privacy and tap on it to expand it, and then tap Settings. Now you need to go and scroll down like so until you get to the section Audience and Visibility. And in here, you should see the option How People Can Find and Contact You. Go and tap there. And at the top, it says Your Friends. And it says Who Can See Your Friends List. So tap there and you can then choose. So I've got set mine to only me, which means it's private as only I can see it. Press save and that's it. If you found this useful, then leave a like for more.